How to install and use your FACEIT account. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can install and use your FACEIT account on your Android device. So if you want to install and use your FACEIT account on your Android device, you have to follow this step. First of all, go and open up your Play Store here, and on the bottom you can see your search icon. Just tap on that. Once you are here, you have to just type and search for the FACEIT here. Once you have searched for the FACEIT here, you can see the FACEIT. Just install this on your device. If you have already installed the FACEIT app on your device, just make sure that you have the latest version of your FACEIT app. If don't, then you have to just go and update your app on your device. So here you can see that the FACEIT app has been successfully installing on my device. Wait until the installation has been successfully completed. Once the FACEIT app has been successfully installed on my device, on your device, just go for the open option and open up the FACEIT app here. So once you are on your FACEIT app, and here you can see the sign up or login option. If you have already an account, you can go for the login, and if you don't have, just go for the sign up option. So here you can see that you have been to the FACEIT. So here you have to write your email address to log into your account. So just go for the continue option here. So you have to write your nickname to create your account, and you can follow the on-screen instruction here. After that, you have to write your password, and here you can see all of the format here, and you have to follow the on-screen instructions here. So after that, you have to just go and click on the create account, and you can save your password. So here you can see that you have been successfully logged into your FACEIT account, and you can go to your profile. You have to tap on the three line, and you can see your profile here. So you can post on your FACEIT account. Just go back, and here you can find the different. Here, just go and tap on the messages, and here you can see that you can also go for your games here. So this is the way how you can log in or create your account on your FACEIT, and how you can use your FACEIT account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. That's it for today.